In the heart of Chicago, where sophistication meets skyline, lies a truly unique gem. Welcome to the epitome of luxury living, a one-of-a-kind penthouse offering unparalleled views of the city, the sparkling lake, and the iconic museum campus. The completely renovated home, gutted down to the studs, is an entertainer's dream with a designer kitchen, a wet bar with ice maker, a truly unique open floor plan that leads out to a large north-facing terrace with a direct line grill and fire table overlooking the entire city. A sophisticated primary suite that has separate bathrooms and 2 walk-in closets for both. The huge guest room can easily be converted back into 2 bedrooms. Step into over 3,400 square feet of opulence, where every corner tells a story of exquisite craftsmanship. But the real showstopper? The private 3,000 plus square foot rooftop oasis, boasting a 360-degree panorama of the entire city. Imagine waking up to the sun gently bathing the skyline, or winding down with a glass of champagne as the city twinkles beneath you. This isn't just a home, it's a masterpiece of design and possibility. Discover a lifestyle where luxury knows no bounds. Welcome to your exclusive Chicago retreat.